upon 3 minus 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7. This we have done or not? 11th one we have done in class or not?
Yes.
11th we have done, I think.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
11th we did. Okay, 12th. Okay, 12th we have to do. Okay. Okay, 12th, we have to rationalize the denominator. 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Okay, there are different ways to proceed this one. Okay, one way is 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 plus 1 into 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Okay, this time you are considering this as one term. Understood? So A plus B, A minus B. You can solve using this, but there is one issue while solving this. You will get something that you have to rationalize again. That is, you will be getting something, two terms here, and you have to rationalize it again. So you have to go 2 times. You have to rationalize it 2 times. Okay. There is other way as well. Answer you will get for sure using this as well. But in denominator it will be irrational. And then denominator again you have to rationalize once. Okay. So 2 times if you rationalize, you get the answer. Okay. And the other way is 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Okay, this time we are considering this as one term. Okay, root 2 minus 1 we have taken in bracket. Okay, now root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. We can rationalize. Okay, solve this one, everyone. Solve this one. So what will be the next term? Okay, numerator it will be root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. In denominator, root 3, this is a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 minus 1, the whole square. Okay, find it. Okay, I'm writing this side. Root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus, keep it in bracket. Okay, keep it in bracket and solve root 2 minus 1 the whole square. That is a minus b the whole square. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2ab. It will be minus sign here. Okay. So next what you will be getting? Any doubt till now? Anyone having doubt? Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So solve this one. Keep it in bracket. It will be 3 minus root 2 square 2. 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by, open the bracket, 3 minus it will be 3 here. plus 2 root 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. How we rationalized it or not yet? Is the denominator rationalized or not? Is the denominator rationalized or not? Anyone in class? Is it a rational number 2 root 2?
No, sir.
It's not a rational number. That's so. What you have to do it again. Again, we have to multiply root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So, how we can rationalize it? By multiplying it with, what should we multiply with? Root 2. With root 2 we must multiply. That is the lowest rationalizing factor into root 2. Okay. So what you will be getting root 3 to root 2? Root 6. Plus root 2 into root 2? 2. Minus root 2 divided by 2 into root 2, it will be 4. So we have rationalized it. Okay. You can solve the first method as well. In that you will be getting two terms. A plus root something like this. Then you have to rationalize that one. Here you are getting a single term. Okay. So any method you can use. That way as well you can solve. This way as well you can solve. No issues with that. Understood this question? Go through it once. If you have any doubt, solve it in your notebook.
Sir, please add one time.
What? Ask again.
Sir, please add one time.
Side.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Okay, sir.
I have to tell again. Okay, see what we have did. This is the same process we have been following. Okay, same steps we are following. That is, we have to rationalize the denominator. Denominator we have to rationalize. How we can rationalize? Two methods are, two ways I already provided. One was, if you are considering this has one term, this has one term, root 3 minus 2, and plus 1, that is 1 as one term. Okay, this has one term, this another term. You can solve. Okay, in that case, you have to rationalize it two times. Okay, here as well we are rationalizing two times. Okay, but in that case, we are getting something a plus what we have will be getting. I can okay. In that case, in denominator you will be getting 2 minus root 6. This you will be getting. Okay. In that case, if you are taking this as one term and this is another term, you will be getting this as denominator. So you have to multiply with 2 plus root 6, 2 plus root 6. Okay. That was one way to solve. Okay. Now here what I have taken? I have taken this as one term and this as another term. This is one term, this is another term. Okay. This is our A, this is our B. A minus B. So we have to multiply with A plus B. So root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. Root 3 plus, this time minus was there, here plus. We have just rationalized. Okay. We got this answer. But here as well we see that denominator is not rationalized yet. So to rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply it with again with root 2. Root 2 is the lowest rationalizing factor. We multiply with root. We multiply with root 2, numerator and denominator. This time we can see the denominator has been rationalized. Numerator is irrational. The whole term is irrational. But the question was asking to rationalize only the denominator, and we have rationalized that. This is clear? Okay. 13th question. First one. Any doubt in 13th question? First one. In that first, we have to rationalize, and then you will put the values of root 3, root 2. First we have done already. Second one, any doubt? If you are having doubt, do ask. Do ask and complete your work. I'll be free within 1 or 2 days and I'll be checking all the work you have submitted. And those who are submitted, I have to make the call to your parents. So complete your work each day little.
So today we want to send the exercise first C also.
First A and B you have completed. Okay, don't send today. Send it on Saturday. Okay. Till Saturday complete first C as well. Okay. Till Saturday you can complete your work and on Sunday morning you can submit first C. Okay. So you are having time. Complete all the work.
First A and first C.
First A was the small exercise. Okay. First A is not required. First B you have submitted. First C you will submit. Okay. First A is not required. Okay. 13 second. Have you completed 13 second? 13 second. Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt? In 13 second, we have to rationalize first the denominator. We multiply with numerator denominator with 3 minus 2 root. Okay. So we will rationalize the denominator. In numerator, we will be getting terms of root 3 and root 2. And you will put the values. Okay. Third one. Okay. Third one. Tell me anyone. So how we are going to rationalize it? First, we will rationalize the denominator by multiplying it with root 3. Okay. So denominator will be getting. So say division is 2 plus root 3 divided by root 3. So first, we should not put the values directly here. First, we will rationalize the denominator. First, we are going to rationalize the denominator. So multiply with root 3, multiply with root 3. So it will be 2 root 3 plus 3. In denominator, it will be 3. Now we can put the values, or we can do one thing. 2 root 3 divided by 3 plus 1. Understood this one? 2 minus it is minus. Okay. Now put the values and solve. So it will be minus. Understood this one? Any doubt? Fifteenth one. 15th. Solve it now fast. So x square minus y square we have to find. So one way is calculate x square and y square and then subtract. The other way is x equal to 2 plus.
14th question.
14th question. Have you completed 14th question? It was homework.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
14th question we will do. Okay. It's easy. 4 minus root 5. 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5. 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. See here, a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. So what we are going to do? We have to take the LCM since denominators are different. To add them, we have to take the LCM. And we can see it is a plus b, a minus b. So take the LCM, 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. Okay. So here we will be getting 4 minus root 5 the whole square plus 4 plus root 5 the whole square. Anyone having doubt here? Is this clear? Anyone
sir.
having doubt here? Okay. Now solve this one. Solve it in your notebook. I'm waiting for 10 to 20 seconds. Solve it. So it is a minus b the whole square expand here. A plus b the whole square expand here. And in denominator a plus b into a minus b. Put here. Everyone solve. So in denominator it will be 4 square minus 5. It will be 4 square 16 minus 5. This will be getting okay. In numerator what it will be getting? 4 square plus root 5 square minus 2ab. 2 into 4 into root 5. And this side 4 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into 4 into root 5. Either you solve this one and this one, and we can cancel as well. 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 plus 8 root 5. So there will be 0. What we are getting? 16 plus 5 plus 16 plus 5 upon 11. So 21 plus 21, how much it will be? 42 upon 11. You got the answer? Everyone got the answer. See here, while I am solving here, you have to solve in your notebook. Don't copy from the board. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Everyone have solved 14th.
Yes, sir.
15th one, do it. 15th one, I give you one hint. It is x square minus y square we have to solve. So,
yes, sir.
X square minus y square can be written as x plus y, x minus y. Okay? So, what you will be solving first? First solve x plus y to get the answer. Solve x minus y, you get the answer. Okay, everyone do it yourself now. You have 2 minutes. Solve this one, x plus y. And it is very easy as well. See here, denominators, a minus b, a plus b. The same way we have done the 14th, the same way it is 15th. Okay, solve it and tell me what will be the answer for x plus y. Solve everyone and tell me what will be the value of x plus y. X plus.
Sir, completed.
Okay, what will be the value of x plus y?
Sir, I do with other method.
It is what other method? X square you calculated, then y square you calculated.
First I found the x and then y.
X already given, y is already given. Then how you have found x and y? They are given in question. This will be take the LCM 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Here we have 2 plus root 5, the whole square plus 2 minus root 5, the whole square. Solve this one and tell me the answer. Everybody start solving your notebook and tell the answer of x plus y. Tell the answer of x plus y. What is the value of x plus y? Anyone in class who have solved? Solve it fast. Denominator it will be 2, that is 4 minus 5. 2 square 4 plus 5 plus 4 root 5 plus 4 plus 5 minus 4 root 5. How much you are getting? How much you have got? Anyone in class who have got the answer? Anyone in class? 4 root 5, they get cancelled. 9 plus 9, 18 divided by minus 1. Minus 18 is the answer. Minus 18 is the answer. Is this clear? Now calculate x minus y. Calculate x minus y. Same way it will be 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 minus root 5. This time here will be minus sign. 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5. Take the LCM. 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. And numerator will be 2 plus root 5. The whole square minus 2 minus root 5. The whole square. Solve this one. What you will be getting? Everyone solve this one. The numerator will be getting the same 4 minus 5. That is minus 1. Numerator will be different. Minus 1 we are getting, same we will be getting here, but numerator will be different. Calculate it. Calculate it. Anyone in class know got the answer? Anyone? No one? Navya?
18 root 5.
How much? Okay, have you got minus 8 root 5?
No, sir.
It will
Sir,
become
it's
minus.
plus 8 root 5.
How plus 8 root 5? No. X minus y, why we are calculating? Okay, see here. 2 plus root 5 square, 4 plus 5 plus, it will be plus 4 root 5. Then minus, in bracket we are putting 4 plus 5 minus 4 root 5. So you are getting, it will be 9 plus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus it will be plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5, 8 root 5 divided by minus 1. It is minus 8 root 5. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have completed this exercise. Start doing fast.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, my answer is 144 root 5.
Yes, sir. My also this only. Sir.
You have to multiply them.
One
Sir,
minute. 1 minute. We have got x plus y, x minus y. Rest you can do x plus y into x minus y you have to do. Multiply them. X plus y minus 18 into minus 8 root 5. Multiply them. Multiply them. How much
144
will be?
root 5.
So minus will be plus. And 18 into 8, how much?
44.
144.
144 root 5. You have got the answer? X plus y, we have solved. X minus y, we have solved. We got. Now, we have to just multiply them. We got the answer. Okay. So, first C, complete the exercise. First D as well. Start doing first one. First D, first one. See what we can do here. We can simplify. 18 is there, 72 is there, and 162. So check whether they are having factors. Is 18 a factor of 72? Is 18 a factor of 162? Are they divisible by 18? Check it once. You can easily solve this one. Check it once. Are they divisible by 18? 72 and 162. Is 18 a factor of these two? Is 18 a factor of these two? Root 18 divided by 5 root 18 plus 3 root 72 minus 2 root 162. Check them. How we can solve? Check once. There are different ways as well, but one way is here 72 and 18. Is 18 a factor of 72? Is 18 a factor of 72? 18 into 18 4 jar
72.
72. And 162, 18 into what we are getting 162?
9.
9. So they are factor of them. So what we can do? We can divide numerator and denominator by root 18. We can divide numerator and denominator by root 18. Okay. So numerator will be 1. 5 root 18 divided by root 18 plus 3 root 72 divided by root 18 plus 2 root 162 divided by 18 root 18. Okay. And we already know
Sir, the 2 is in minus. Sir, the 2 is in minus.
what it is minus. Okay. So root a divided by root b, we can write it as complete root of a by b. We can write it. This is the property of indices. Okay. Next step 1 divided by 5. Root 18 get cancelled plus 3 root 72 divided by 18 minus 2 root 162 divided by 18. Okay. What we can write further? 5 plus 3 root of 72 divided by 18 root 4 minus 2 root 162 divided by 18 9 1 divided by 5 plus root 4 2 3 to the 6 minus root 9 3 3 to the 6. They get 6 minus 6 0. What answer we are getting? 1/5. Is this clear? So always first see the question, okay, and see if they are factors or not.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Okay, what you haven't understood. Okay, have you first see the question? Root 18 divided by 5 root 18. Okay, so check, see a root 18, 5 root 18. So can we divide the whole by root 18, numerator and denominator. So second term, check once. Is 72 a factor of, is 18 a factor of 72? Check it once. Or 72 a multiple of 18. Okay, check it once. Check it once. Whether 18 is a factor of 0.62. And we have seen that 18 is a factor of 72 as well as of 0.62. Okay. So what we can do? We can divide the numerator by root 18 as well as the whole denominator by root 18. So we divide it by root 18 and this as well we divide by root 18. Okay. Now fill the bracket. Each term will be divided by root 18. Root 18 divided by root 18 1. 5 root 18 divided by root 18 3 root 72 divided by this one and similarly here. Okay. They get cancelled. Root 72 divided by root 18, it can be written as root of 72 divided by 18. This is the property we already studied. Root of a divided by root b. It can be written as complete root of a by b. Okay. So now 18 4 ja, root 4, 18 9 ja, root 9. Okay, that's all. Okay. So see this question. And if you have doubt, first come do the question. Okay, second one, third one, okay, fourth one is also easy. So try up to fourth one, up to fourth. If you have doubt, ask tomorrow. Okay, we'll again start with first. Go through first. If you have doubt in first as well, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, so all these up to fourth question you can complete.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt. So in that last step, how did 3 root 4 converted into plus 6?
Okay, 3 root 4. Okay, one more step is the 1 divided by 5 plus 3. What will be the root 4? Value of
2, root 2.
root 4, it will be
2,
2.
2, also only 2.
Okay, and 2 root 9,
Okay, sir, got. Okay, sir.
3. Understood now? Okay, so up to fourth question, try to complete. Okay, we'll discuss them in class tomorrow. If you have doubt, we'll discuss them in tomorrow in class. Okay.
Can we leave?
Yes, you can leave. So fourth, first, second, third you solve, and these you have to put in fourth to solve. Okay, you can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and complete your work. This Saturday and Sunday. Sunday I'll get free. So I'm going to check all the work. Till now I haven't checked the. I wasn't able to check the work. So Sunday I'm going to be free. Saturday I'm having some work. Till Saturday. And then after Sunday, I'll be completely free. So complete your work and